Where there is will, there is a power. With his only feet, he became the first person to hold international racing license. Now let us go to his life story, his success story, his steps of his failure story, and all. Before that, thank you all for showing your support by subscribing me and sharing with your friends. Hope you will do the same in the future and all. A man named Bartosz Ostalowski was born in 1986 in Polish. From his childhood, he begins to show interest in the racing games, and later he planned to change his games into his dream, into his goal, into his ambitions. And he joined the driving academy to learn driving. Everything was going fine until 2006. In the 2006, he met with a Hummer accident where he lost both his upper limbs, and he was starving for his dream. Now he just have two options for his future. Number one is to give up his goal and sit down. And number two is to continue with what he has. He don't allow his weakness to overcome over his dreams. He started his patience with only his limbs. And later he successfully held the international racing driving license for the first time and set a world record. He participated in lots of international racing and won lots of medals. He did not stop here. He began to learn drifting by making a necessary modification on his vehicles. He proves that nothing can stop you from achieving your goal if you have a burning desire and the willpower. If you want to check out his channels, his video, I will give the link in the descriptions below. So what you need to be a successful person is a burning desire and the willpower of achieving the goal. If you have a willpower and a burning desire, you will surely be success in your life. So how was the video? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like it. And if you are new to the channels, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon nearby it. And share with your friends. Comment whose success story do you want to see in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.